So I go away camping this weekend at Shell Island, and as usual at Shell Island, from all the stuff I've seen, I've never actually been before, but the wind can be a bit torturous. You might be able to see out there in the sea, the white horses. It was nice and calm yesterday when we set up, and so we went for a rookie mistake of a sea view, and this morning we got woke up being battered to death by the weather. So just been and done my dustbin duty, a bit of recycling, and I'm over there in the big Berghaus Air 6 today. I've had to take my tarp down already. It was blowing actually some boxes around and blowing all my wood off with fire pits. So typical camping weather for me. Sand dunes are big around here. I feel like you're in the Sahara. You don't believe how steep this bit is here to my right. Right the way up there. Huge things. A lot of beach around here. Snowden pretty much right in the background above that red tent. Harlech Castle, one that's in the middle there now, and the beach at Harlech. Just make out the top of Harlech Castle at the end of that headland. There it is. It's just spitting with rain, so it's got all sort of misty looking. So this is kind of the central area of Shell Island. There's the sort of car park where people come and drive from all over the place because the site is huge. Ladies and gents toilets there. There is a washing up area just down here. Where you can wash up your pots and pans. And we're just going to go over to the bar. This is the shower block. Men's at this end, women's at the other. And they have some toilets in as well. When it's busy, there can be a bit of a queue into the showers, but all very nice. Everything's pretty good here. site goes all the way to the sand dunes in the distance. It is the biggest campsite that I've ever seen. If you can have a look down there. It does go on for miles. There's reception when you come in, where you buy your tickets from, put it in your van. The main car park, that's the way in across the causeway in the distance there from across the airfield. That's the bit, the road, you can see that just to the left of that post. That's the bit that gets flooded all the way across there. That's why you can only get in and out at certain times. Snack bar, tavern bar and pizzeria. Well, that's Shell Island. It's a big site. There's plenty of different places to go to. It's also a good spot, really, near Harlock, just 8 miles up the road as well from Barmouth. Would I go again? Yes. I definitely recommend taking notice of what the weather forecast is if you're going. It can get pretty windy, and I've seen on Facebook lots of destroyed tents. So it nearly caught me out, but did okay. The other things there's a gift shop, and there is a shop that sells food and stuff. You can get all sorts of things from there. Chicken, bacon, bread, all sorts of things. Just like a local shop. Can get pretty busy, particularly in the summer. It is a very popular place, and it can get booked up